Hello YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lam and today we are going to try on contact lens from Myeyebb. Thank you so much Myeyebb for sending me these. I have 5 pairs of brown contact lens. Everyday friendly natural looks to something a lot more bold and good for an elaborate eye look like right now. We're also gonna have a 20% discount code and I will leave the link to their website below. Make sure you check them out. Pink is packaged very well. It comes quickly too. You're gonna have your lens. Also gonna give you lens cases so that you can put your lens in and store them. All of these are 1-year lens. You need to check out their website, but they do have prescription too. A booklet, some looks. Wow, these are some of the top influencers. Let me know if you want me to try one of these next. I have dark brown eyes, so this video would be perfect if you have the same eye color. What should I try first? Oh, also you can use them to wear the contacts. It's like a little luggage. A tiny pair of tweezers, the thing to apply the contact. I will show you right now. Rare Irish brown, and you can see my prescription is 0. When I take the lens out, Rare Irish brown. Let me put on the other eye too. Definitely before and after very clearly. This pair looks almost like gray. It's a very light brown. Yes, you can see that the rim outside is a brown, but the inside wider part of the lens, it has a lot of gray in it. It's like a very bright hazel. Wow, really emphasize the iris, so I can see why it's called that. I feel really comfortable. The applicator makes it so easy to apply the lens. I'm really excited, and this is the first pair. Let's do something hopefully a little bit more natural looking. Rime Brown. It looks like this. The packaging, you will see the information for the lens, and of course you can see the lens themselves. Really nicely sealed. Placing the lens onto here. Make sure that I open really wide. Wow, this pair is so natural. Just lighten up the outer of my iris in the most natural way. It feels very comfortable too. The curve is perfect with the curve of my eyeballs. And we have Rime Brown on. Absolutely perfect for this look today. Still looks fashion, it still looks beauty, right? Doesn't look cosplay-y yet. And that's really more my style. Of course, Myeyebb has lenses that are more for cosplays too. Next up, let's do Nordic DNA Brown. Pretty similar to the previous one. Nordic DNA Brown has more of a pattern in the lighter color part. Really cool pattern. So looking far away, it looks slightly darker than the previous pair, but when you come up close, you can really tell there is a difference. Both of the lenses are in my eyes. Absolutely gorgeous color. Wow, these are really elevating the look. I would say this is probably the most natural pair so far, even more so than Rime Brown. All the pattern, when you look far away, it turned into a darker shade overall because the stripes are black and a slightly warmer tint as well. The fourth pair now, we have Unspoken Mirage Brown. Looks like this in the packaging. It looks like the inside part is brighter in this pair, so I am excited to wear something a little more bold now. The past 2 pairs have been pretty mild. So easy to put on. Wow, this one I think is the most gray so far. Wow, I really like this pair. This is Unspoken Mirage Brown. Last but not least, we have Cocoa Brown. This one looks really interesting because you can see it has pretty bold patterns, dark brown with a lighter hazel kind of a color. So I'm really excited to put this pair on. Looks like this. Oh, OMG, this one is definitely an enlarging. This is with the lens, this is without. Really bigger eye for sure. Let's put on the other side, and oh, you can see it has a dark rim that really helps make the eye look bigger. Draw attention to the difference between the iris and the white part of my eyes. This is definitely one of my favorite pair of lenses I tried today. Again, this is Cocoa Brown. Definitely intimidating in the packaging, but in the eyes, I'm so excited. This is like perfect to end the video with. That's it for this video. We have tried out 5 pairs of color lens from Myeyebb, and I have to say I'm so happy with all of them. I choose all the browns because brown is a better color for my natural eye color. It doesn't look too different, and I want to see if I choose everything brown, how much of a variation can I get from this brand, and clearly they delivered. I hope that I get the opportunity to try out more lenses from them, hopefully the cosplay lens or more colors from with this Cocoa line. I'm really excited to try it out. So let me know what your thoughts are below, and of course, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I will leave the link to the description box to their website as well as my 20% discount code. Hopefully you can enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and have a great day. I'll see you in my next video, and remember, don't flop.